Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Megha. Today we are diving deep into skincare ingredient that can literally transform your skin. Yes, I'm talking about retinol. So in this video, we'll be discussing about what is retinol, who should use retinol, who should avoid retinol, what percentage of retinol should be started in the beginning, how to use retinol according to your skin type, and some beginner friendly retinol recommendations. So do watch this video completely as I'll be covering some major mistakes which you need to be avoiding while using retinol. So let's get started with this video now. So let's see what exactly is retinol. So retinol is a vitamin A derivative. So it's a part of powerful family called retinoid. It's a wonderful ingredient backed up with research. So what it basically does is it speeds up your skin cell turnover, helps in boosting collagen production of your skin, and also gives you even skin tone. So basically it makes your skin look younger and youthful. So that was about retinol. So let's see who should use retinol and who should avoid. Retinol can be used if you have acne, excessive oil production of your skin, open pores, if you have comedonal acne, or if you're dealing with early stages of aging like fine lines or wrinkles, if you have hyperpigmentation on your face, or if you have post acne marks or acne scars. In that case also retinol can be used. So that was it for who should use retinol. So let's see who should not be using retinol. Retinol should not be used if you are lactating or if you are pregnant, and if you have rosacea, eczema prone skin, or extremely dry and extremely sensitive skin, then retinol shouldn't be used. Or if you're using any other stronger actives in your skincare routine, then too retinol should be avoided. So that was it for who should use and who should not be using retinol. So let's see what percentage of retinol should be used or what strength of retinol should be started in the beginning. So let me break it down according to your skin type. So if you have dry, sensitive, or normal skin type, you can start by using 0.1% of retinol. Combination skin type, you can start by using it from 0.1 to 0.3% of retinol. And for oily or acne prone skin type, you can start from 0.3 to 0.5% of retinol. So that's how you should be choosing your retinol strength. So you don't need to use higher strength of retinol in the beginning. If you use it consistently, you will see good results by even using it in lower strength as well. So you don't have to jump into higher strength expecting more results, okay? So now let's see how to apply retinol. If you have oily, combination, or acne prone skin, you can start by using retinol after cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. Then apply Vaseline petroleum jelly on the corners of your eyes, nose, and mouth to protect it from getting dry patches. Then after that, take pea-sized amount of retinol, dot it all over your face, and then spread it gently and do not rub it on your face. After applying retinol, let it sit on your skin for 5 minutes. After that, apply a good hydrating moisturizer on top. That's it. And if you have dry or sensitive skin type, how you can apply retinol is, first you need to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, apply moisturizer, then apply retinol, after that again moisturizer. So this is called a sandwich method. In this way your skin won't get irritated and you can use retinol safely. So that was how to use retinol. So here are few mistakes which you need to be avoiding if you want to start using retinol. Number one, do not use retinol on damp skin. Instead, use retinol only on dry skin so that it doesn't penetrate deeper into your skin, causing irritation on your skin. Mistake number two, always start using retinol slowly. Don't use it every day. Start using retinol once in a week if you have dry skin and twice in a week if you have oily combination skin type. Mistake number three, don't layer your retinol with any other actives like vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, or benzoyl peroxide. This can cause major irritation on your skin, so don't mix your actives with retinol. Mistake number four, avoid using retinol while you are lactating or if you're pregnant. Number five, never skip your sunscreen while using retinol. Retinol can make your skin a little sensitive to sunlight, so don't forget to use a broad spectrum sunscreen in the daytime. So those were the mistakes which you should be avoiding if you want to start using retinol. So let's see what is the ideal age of starting retinol. If you want to use it for acne or acne marks or open pores, you can start using retinol in your early 20s, but only under the guidance of your dermatologist. And if you want to use it for anti-aging, you can start by using it in your mid-20s. And if you're in your 30s or 40s, it's never too late. You can start using retinol right now. So here are a few good recommendations of retinol from my side. If you have dry, normal to sensitive skin type, you can start by using any of these retinol recommendations. Or if you have oily, acne-prone or combination skin type, you can use any of these retinol. So here's a question which I get asked a lot of times: when to expect result while using retinol? So retinol takes time to show results. So it takes around 4 to 6 weeks to see visible results on your skin. So please be consistent with your routine. Follow this routine consistently. You'll definitely see wonderful results on your skin. So don't lose hope, okay? So that's it for this video. That was your complete retinol 101. So if you found this video helpful, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if in case you have any doubts regarding anything in this video, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. And I'll see you next time. Bye.